Alright, so we're down here at the Wentzville Rod Run. It's always a good show out for this. Even when it's raining, still some pretty cool rides here, so let's see what we can find. Nice old Jeep. That's definitely one way to go right there. Pretty cool. So I'd seen, I'm not gonna call it a rat rod, but kind of like a rat rod bus and a tow truck and stuff. So hopefully it'll come back by here again. A couple of Beetles, old bus. That bus I seen earlier. That'd be a fun build right there. There we go, a little bit of everything. I'm sure we've seen some of these in Union last week. That's a beautiful car right there. Check out this old Roadster up here. One of these days, need to build something like that. Here we go. I need one of those. Love the rat fink on it. Like that old truck. Yeah, I definitely need to build something like that. What we got here? Here we go. So Harris Auto and Tire is one that puts us on every year. They do a pretty good job. If you're in Wentzville and you need to work on your vehicle, it's a good place for it. Pretty ingenious. Got a little slide out overhang there. That's pretty cool. lot of engine for a little bit of car. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool old C10. Very clean. Oh yeah. Couple clean old trucks there. Oh yeah. Oh, racing fuel. Gotta love the smell. Right. Clean Chevelle. There's the old GMC that was dragging frame. That's sweet. The old Comet was ready, but we're putting new window seals in it. Okay, finally a good use for granny low. I just put it in granny and just enjoy the cruise. Let's see what we can find again. Old 60, love that. So this used to be the kind of the preamble to the nostalgia drags. It used to be at the old MAR racetrack here in Wentzville. So that big old monster, we've seen that before. That's pretty cool build. A little better view of it there. Pretty cool setup. Alright, so that was the Wentzville Rod Run put on by Harris Auto and Tire. And if you guys need a place to have your car worked on anywhere around Wentzville, check them out. They're doing a pretty good job. So, hope you enjoyed this. Some old rides, a little cruise. See you here on their next adventure. See you there.